Today we're going to be taking a look at the Eva Foam rod butt cushion. The Eva Foam rod butt cushion has a Eva Foam outer construction. It's comfortable, yet it's soft and firm at the same time. Inside it's got a cast anodized aluminum sleeve which accommodates the fishing rod butt. It supports a rubber insert which prevents any rod slip. These accommodate rod butt sizes between 25mm and 30mm. The rod insert's relatively easy. Once it's in, it's still adjustable, but it's not going to fall out. And if you want to remove it, simply just pull the rod out. This rod butt is 25mm. Sizes on the Eva Foam rod butt cushion. Cushion end diameter is 100mm and overall height is 72mm. Thanks for watching. My number is at the bottom of the screen. If you have any questions about any of our products, or if you just want to have a general chat, I am available at any time. Feel free to reach out on email, info@tidal-hook.com. You can also find us on Facebook. Please give us a like under Tidal Hook. We're on Instagram as well, YouTube under Tidal Hook. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. You can also check out our website at www.tidal-hook.com.